Hello and welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to answer the question, which bank does Lazypay use? You see, Lazypay is a fintech platform that collaborates with multiple banks and financial institutions to offer its services. Rather than being tied to just one bank, this means that the specific bank involved can depend on the Lazypay product you are using. Based on available information, key banking and financial partners of Lazypay include RBL Bank. Lazypay has partnered with RBL Bank to offer the RBL Bank Lazypay credit card. This is a co-branded credit card issued by RBL Bank in association with Lazypay. SBM Bank in India. Lazypay has also collaborated with SBM Bank in India to launch LazyCard, which is a prepaid payment instrument supported by a credit line. Then we have Finance. Lazypay operates as a digital lending platform for Finance India Private Limited, which is a non-banking financial company NBFC. Finance is a key partner for providing credit and loan facilities through the Lazypay platform such as Express Loan and Lazypay EMI. Therefore, when you use Lazypay, the underlying financial service is facilitated by one of these partners. The specific bank or MBFC depends on the product or service you are utilizing through the Lazypay platform. Hope you found this video helpful.